Plant FAQs. Blyxa japonica. Blyxa japonica, the alluring underwater grass for aquascapers. Blyxa japonica, often called Japanese Blyxa or dwarf Asian grass, has become a staple in my aquascaping journey. This underwater beauty, native to the nutrient-rich shallows of East and Southeast Asia, boasts a delicate, feathery appearance that adds a touch of elegance to any freshwater tank. But its charm goes beyond aesthetics. Blyxa japonica is a versatile plant that can thrive in various setups with proper care. Over the years, I've learned the intricacies of cultivating this aquatic gem. In this article, I'll share my experiences and insights on caring for Blyxa japonica, from its ideal tank conditions to propagation techniques. Blyxa japonica versus Blyxa albertii. In my aquarium, Blyxa japonica has consistently impressed me with its dense, lush appearance, creating a beautiful, vibrant foreground, while Blyxa albertii, though visually striking with its broader leaves and reddish tones, hasn't quite matched the lush density of japonica in my setup. How tall does Blyxa japonica grow? Blyxa japonica is a mid-ground plant, typically reaching heights between 10 to 20 inches, 25 to 50 centimeters, in optimal conditions. However, its growth can be influenced by several factors, including lighting intensity, nutrient availability, and CO2 supplementation. Stronger lighting will encourage Blyxa japonica to grow taller, sometimes even reaching the water surface. Conversely, lower light levels will result in a more compact and bushy appearance. Experimenting with light intensity allows you to tailor the plant's size to your specific aquascaping vision. How to ship Blyxa japonica. Blyxa japonica is a relatively hardy plant that can withstand short periods of shipping. Here are some tips for ensuring its safe arrival. Packing. Wrap the plant's base in damp paper towels and enclose it in a plastic bag. Ensure the bag contains some air to prevent suffocation. Insulation. During colder seasons, consider insulating the package with bubble wrap or packing peanuts to maintain a stable temperature. Communication. Inform the seller of your desired arrival time frame, especially if you live in a region with extreme temperatures. How to trim Blyxa japonica. Blyxa japonica can become leggy if left untamed. Regular trimming encourages bushier growth and maintains a well-manicured look in your tank. Here's how to keep your Blyxa japonica in tip-top shape. Sharp tools. Use sharp scissors or pruning shears to avoid damaging the delicate stems. Trimming technique. Pinch off unwanted leaves or stems just below a node, the point where new growth emerges. Replanting. You can replant the trimmings in the substrate to propagate new Blyxa japonica. What plant resembles Blyxa japonica? If you're drawn to the aesthetic of Blyxa japonica but prefer a low-maintenance option, consider water sprite, Ceratopterus thalictroides. This fast-growing fern offers a similar feathery texture and thrives in various lighting conditions. However, water sprite grows considerably larger than Blyxa japonica and requires more frequent trimming. Beyond the basics, additional tips for Blyxa japonica success. Substrate. Blyxa japonica prefers a nutrient-rich substrate like aquasoil for optimal growth. CO2 supplementation. While not essential, CO2 injection can enhance Blyxa japonica's growth and vibrancy. Fertilization. Regular dosing with a balanced liquid fertilizer will ensure your Blyxa japonica receives the necessary nutrients to thrive. Tank mates. Avoid aggressive fish that might nibble on the delicate leaves. Peaceful community fish are ideal tank mates for Blyxa japonica. Conclusion. The reward of cultivation. Blyxa japonica may not be the easiest aquatic plant, but its graceful presence in your tank makes the effort worthwhile. With a bit of practice and these helpful tips, you can cultivate a thriving patch of Blyxa japonica that will add a touch of natural elegance to your underwater world. So, dive in and experience the beauty of this captivating aquatic plant.